Did you know frogs don't start as frogs? They begin as tiny eggs in the water. Then they wiggle, grow legs, and turn into hopping frogs. Let's hop along and see how a baby frog grows up. Frogs go through 4 main stages as they grow up. 1. Eggs. Frogs lay lots of tiny eggs in water. The eggs are like little jelly balls. Inside each egg is a baby frog growing. 2nd tadpole. After a few days, the eggs hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles live in water and look like little fish. They have tails and no legs. They breathe through gills, just like fish. 3. Tadpole with legs. As tadpoles grow, they start to grow back legs. Then they grow front legs too. Their tail starts to shrink. They also start breathing with lungs instead of gills. 4th adult frog. Now it looks like a real frog. The tail is gone. It can hop on land and swim in water. Adult frogs can lay eggs, and the life cycle starts again.